Hello everyone! The wild boar stands out as a paragon of adaptability among wildlife, thriving across multiple continents, from the woodlands of Europe and Asia to the diverse habitats of Africa and America. This remarkable species proves its versatility by flourishing in a wide array of environmental conditions, showcasing its exceptional ability to adapt and thrive. Presently, the United States is home to an estimated 6 million wild boars, spanning 35 states. These creatures are predominantly concentrated in the southern and southeastern states, with Texas, Florida, and California hosting the largest populations. Wild boars are nocturnal, equipped with remarkable survival instincts that serve them well in the wild. Known for their strong swimming skills and agility as omnivores, they navigate their environments with ease. While generally not aggressive, wild boars can become formidable opponents when provoked or threatened, underscoring their complex nature. There have been numerous instances where hunters have faced sudden attacks from wild boars. Such encounters typically occur when hunters inadvertently come too close to a litter of piglets or cross paths, with a boar fleeing from perceived threats. Despite their capability for aggression, wild boars usually choose to flee from human presence. Identifying wild boars is straightforward due to their distinctive physical characteristics. They sport thick, coarse fur that is typically black or dark brown, complemented by pronounced bristles on their backs and shoulders. Their anatomy features pointed ears, a long muzzle, and a somewhat elongated body. Most notably, wild boars possess large, curved fangs known as tusks protruding from the lower jaw. These tusks are not only tools for digging, but also serve as formidable weapons for self-defense. Wild boars, while foraging for food by digging into the ground, exacerbate soil erosion, particularly in sloping terrains or areas with unstable soil. This activity not only degrades the quality of the soil but also poses adverse effects on agriculture and infrastructure. Furthermore, wild boars compete with native wildlife for food resources and have the potential to become the dominant predators in certain regions. Such dominance can significantly alter the ecological balance of local ecosystems, potentially disrupting existing biodiversity and food chains. Wild boars inflict considerable damage on U.S. agriculture, with costs estimated to reach up to $2.05 billion in USUI as of 2019. Their omnivorous feeding habits lead them to raid fields, where they devour and deplete vital crops like corn, wheat, and soybeans, wreaking havoc on the agricultural landscape. Moreover, wild boars are notorious for their destructive impact on fruit orchards, including those of grapes and oranges. They not only kill seedlings, shrubs, and vines, but also foster the growth and spread of fungal diseases in the soil, compounding their damaging effects on agriculture. Addressing the challenges posed by wild boars has become a silent battle for hunters across the United States. In response, numerous hunting initiatives have been launched, where the use of helicopters, vehicles, and an array of firearms and ammunition has become the strategy of choice for hunters. Join us as we delve into this thrilling hunting adventure. Utilizing helicopters paired with firearms has proven to be an effective method for managing agricultural lands and safeguarding the natural environment. This approach primarily aims to mitigate the damage inflicted by wildlife on farming areas, or serves as a strategic solution for controlling pest animals. When hunting wild boars from helicopters, hunters in the U.S. often opt for fast and powerful rifles that offer excellent accuracy. The R-15 semi-automatic rifle is particularly favored due to its adaptability to aerial hunting conditions and its rapid fire rate, which is crucial for targeting the swiftly moving wild boars. Additionally, some hunters prefer the AK-47 rifle for its robustness and high performance even under severe weather conditions. The strategic use of helicopters in wildlife management proves highly effective, primarily due to their ability to swiftly and extensively access challenging terrains that are typically unreachable by conventional vehicles. This capability is crucial in emergencies that demand immediate action to prevent significant damage to farms, croplands, or natural reserves. These aerial monitoring efforts not only significantly reduce the damage caused by these animals, but also gather crucial data on wildlife populations and their movements, aiding in the formulation of long-term management strategies. While highly beneficial for wildlife management, the use of helicopters does entail considerable expenses. Operating these aircraft requires substantial fuel, particularly in remote or challenging weather conditions. Additionally, to maintain safety and operational efficiency, regular maintenance is imperative. This includes thorough technical inspections and timely replacement of parts as needed, ensuring each mission's success and safety. However, employing helicopters for wildlife control operations can significantly disturb natural habitats. The repercussions of such disturbances extend beyond mere disruptions to communication and reproduction among species. They can also adversely affect the overall health of wildlife populations. To mitigate these negative impacts, it is crucial to implement measures that restrict the duration and geographical extent of helicopter activities. Furthermore, incorporating advanced technologies to reduce noise and conducting ongoing monitoring and environmental impact assessments are essential. These steps will help refine management strategies, ensuring they are not only effective but also environmentally sensitive, striving for a balance between wildlife control and ecological preservation. Compared to using an airplane, using cars and gun for hunting wild boars is significantly more cost-effective. This approach has become increasingly popular in many countries for controlling wild boar populations, particularly in regions where they inflict serious damage on the agricultural sector. Utilizing vehicles allows hunters to swiftly cover vast expanses of land, facilitating the detection and elimination of individual boars. The strategic use of vehicles in hunting offers considerable advantages, especially when navigating through large forests or open grasslands, habitats where wild boars are commonly found and cause considerable harm. This method not only enhances the ability to detect and approach prey, but also increases safety compared to hunting on foot. By hunting from a vehicle, hunters can maintain a safe distance from their targets, significantly reducing the risk of close encounters with wild boars, which can become highly aggressive under pressure. Indeed, using cars for hunting in forests comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Navigating vehicles through natural habitats can disrupt the soil and damage the ecosystems of various animal and plant species, not to mention the safety concerns associated with firing guns from moving vehicles. This method requires hunters to have advanced skills and a strong adherence to safety protocols to avoid endangering both themselves and the environment. In the realm of wildlife conservation and environmental management, the choice between using helicopters or cars must hinge on a thorough evaluation of both cost-effectiveness and environmental impact. Helicopters are ideal for missions requiring rapid deployment and extensive coverage, essential for quickly locating and assessing the distribution of wild boars across large areas. Conversely, cars are more suited for regular surveillance and control activities, particularly when budget constraints are a factor. This strategic deployment allows for efficient management of resources while minimizing environmental disruption. which method would you choose to manage wild boar populations? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching until the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.